Hello, good morning. Yes, good morning, everyone. How are you doing? Woohoo! So 5 minutes to 2 a.m. We still got some time. Good morning, Henry. Good morning, Hand Day Trey. Good morning, Extra Gel. Peace now, good morning. 5 Handles, Gabriel. One Forgotten Son. Sai 143 Cool. Dila Ka. Wow. Trying to. I think it's an Italian name, isn't it? Benson Fannis, good morning. Sufino, Daniel Trader. T2020 240, Lance K. Yeah, I'm doing good. Obviously, I took a break yesterday. Well, yesterday we got CPI, right? So I use it as an excuse, which is right? I mean, we shouldn't trade before CPI, which I actually did trade. I will show you the trade, no worries. Good morning, Andrew. Good morning, Go Shusala. Good morning, Kai Yun, Yan Chisi, Christine, Mohammed. Good tap by Ho Jin Park. Good morning. Vin Word, Reed Liz, J.S. Josh. Good morning. Anna, you know what? Last week, I think you won the giveaway, but you're not there. And I checked the live chat record. I think you probably got some lagging on your live stream, so you were like 5 minutes later to reply the stream. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. But I will still get giveaway today, no worries. Like if we hit 120 likes, I will still giving out some accounts today, no worries. Yes. And just one more thing, I heard a little episode from those haters, and so turns out, if you remember, I think last week I got a losing streak stream, right? And I got my profit back on my last trade. So I was like slightly above break even. So definitely not a W stream. And there's hater out there trying to hatch my trades. I mean, you can definitely have opposite direction with me. Don't get me wrong. But if you have your own trade analysis, you can have totally different trades or strategies or whatever position to like against me. No worries, it's okay. But if you just do it, if you just bet against me intentionally, I mean, this is just so funny. It's like the most hilarious thing I heard in this year. So it also means they love watching my stream. I mean, like, this is funny. I can't believe if you hate someone so much, but you have to watch their live stream continuously every day. Man, yeah, just fun. Just a little episode, So it won't be so boring in the whole trading journey. Is the music too loud? It's not too loud, right? The stream is more addictive to drugs. So I want to show you my Aqua Futures accounts. So it's the same accounts that I traded last week. So I broke up once, like those funded accounts. So the maximum funded account you can have with Aqua Futures are free. So when I broke up once, that means I broke up free accounts. So if I broke up the second time, it will be total 6 accounts and so on. So I need to trade 5 minimum trading days and a trading buffer above 4,600. And for this account type, which I'm currently trading with, is standard account. So my payout cap for 150K is 3,000. That means for the first payout cycle, I will need to get to 7,600 for the balance, which I already above it. But because of minimum 5 trading days, I will need to trade 1 more day and not exceed the 40% consistency rule. So yeah, that's what I need for these accounts. And that day that I got 5 losing trades is the same accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6. This is the trade I took last trade I took on stream, and this is the New York session trade. The time is my local time, which is GMT +4. Yeah, so I can show you the trade I took yesterday. Well, to be honest, I actually took one. You can see that there is like a 9-second trade. What is that? I thought I didn't turn on the trade copier. So I closed the trade and checked my trade copier on Trade Syncer. Turns out I actually turned it on. So I have to like get in again. So this is the London session trade. Where is that? Let me see. Oh yeah. So this is the trade here. So I took a short, and price retraced back to around the 1 minute CB here, and then I closed my trade here on this low, swing low. So you can see everything, the trade I took, trade I closed. So using this trade replay function, it will show the whole trade. It's not like, okay, you're taking screenshot, this is a like fake of Photoshop pictures. With this function, you can take anything. And my stop loss were here. So I was using 25 point stop loss and around 50 points for my TP. So that is the short position I took for yesterday London session. And right now the FH win rate is 50%, which is good. My FH was 40% to 45. Right now it's 50. So it allowed me to get some losing trade today, which I don't want to though. But I can have some losing trade today. It won't be like crazy. It's within my FH win rate. And yeah, that's the FH win loss, which is 2.7. So that is the view. Well, I gotta admit, like most of the time, my trading day looks like this: losing trade, and then get it back. So, for like if you look at whole month data, I got less trading day like this. So it's not like, okay, last 2 trading day I got something like that. Am I great? I was doing good at these 2 days, but it's not my usual performance. I know it. So with all this data, I know myself better, and I won't worry if I took a losing trade today because I know I'm still within my FH win rate. So this is the platform I'm using, Chisella, and with my code Candy, you can get 20% off with the whole platform. All right, back to the chat. Good morning, Queen Wei. Yeah, you get a special title right now. You are the queen of the chat right now, right? I think I will wait for price to clear some of the buy side equity first. Wow, the daily time frame. This daily time frame sucks, man. What is this shit? Seriously, what is this shit? Crazy. So we got to end walk here. We're actually reaching into 2 end walk. The end is out here. So we're so close to this swing high and this swing high. I believe it's a daily high. And also this is the midpoint of this end walk, new week opening gap. I believe we're going to these 2 buy side. We got some 1 hour gap here. We just took out the top from Friday and Sunday light though. I see. So yeah, this is the daily high of 10th and 6th July. No idea. To be honest, no idea. I have no idea what we are doing right now. I will just be patient. We got a long wick here. Do we got this wick? Oh, same wick on this. On NQ. What the? I got a new shirt today, finally. I think you guys can't see it though. It's a new shirt. It's a new car. Good morning, Hanover Nick. Nick's been in our community for years. I think today we got we got high impact news, right? PPI or something. Yes, we got PPI 8:30. Oh my God, Fed Chairman Walsh testified 10. So the whole New York AM session sucks, right? I mean, how am I gonna say if you testify? And you know, PPI is kind of like CPI. They got high volatility too. What days do you normally stream? I normally stream in London session whenever I want to. Well, I will stream most of the time, to be honest. But in August, like the summer market is different. So I'm not so sure should I stream that time. And even for my own trades, I will reduce my position size and lower the risk. Best banter on any stream. And you know what? I realized banter is kind of like a word that mainly British are using. I realized when we say banter, like people outside of UK probably don't understand. Why August is different? So August and December is like the vacation month for traders. So the liquidity will be thinner, and that means it's easier for manipulation. So it's just not like normal market. It's not like you can trade. I mean, I can trade. I did trade before too, but you feel it's totally. It just sucks. I always said don't blame the market. Don't blame Trumps. Don't blame high impact news, but usually in August, I will blame the market because it's just trash PA. I have to blame the market at that time. Oh, England lose today. World Cup. I'm sorry to hear that. I didn't follow the World Cup actually. Well, I forgot to turn on the aircon. It's 40 degrees right now. I need to turn on the aircon. Okay. Nothing happens in August. Really? Your boss at the business. So what's his insight or her insight about that boss in business schools? I would love to hear that because that what I learned about like December and August is ICT told us, like Michael, he taught us about the seasonal tendency, about some like times, some specific time. It's not high probability market. It's not like you can't trade, but it's lower probability. So you need to spend more time, maybe more high resistance liquidity one. And yes, yesterday I joined as speaker in the trader roundup Twitter space. So if you guys want to hear it, you can go check out that Twitter space. I think I was like in the beginning, around 5 to 10 minutes. So I talk about the strategies, the trading models, yeah, things like that. Because kid always want me to speak in that Twitter space, so I was thinking maybe it's time. Everyone's on holiday. Don't make any major decision. Don't do any big deals. Awesome. Yeah, love it. What's the best and worst thing about living in Dubai? Well, I will tell you the worst things first. The worst thing is I can't talk about the worst thing happening in Dubai. I can't talk about that. But I love it. I love it here. I mean, it's not like the best country in the world for sure. Like if someday I found somewhere I really like, I will relocate to that country again too. So I'm not like I want to stay here forever. And I don't think anyone comes to Dubai planning to stay forever. Like everyone here is just comes and goes. We just stay here for a while. But like I gotta say, it's a lot better than Hong Kong. Believe it or not, it's a lot better than Hong Kong. Is it raining? No, it's sunny. Is Hong Kong that bad? It's not that bad. I mean, we got so many Hong Kongers here, including those haters. They are watching the stream. It's not bad. It was not bad. Right now, I'm not sure. I mean, it's good for traveling. So if you like tourists, want to go for sightseeing, or if you've never been to Hong Kong, it is a good place for traveling. And I think even for expats, so like just all of you, if you relocate there for working, for your job or where, I think you'll be safe. It's fine to you, just not good to the locals. And yesterday, like during the trader roundup, I actually talked about what I do when I'm not live streaming. Like if I see a large Asia session like this and I'm not live streaming, I will just skip the whole of the session. But because I'm live streaming, so I have to take some trades. Yeah. I mean, it's not like you can trade, but it's obviously low probability condition compared to when Asia is ranging. I mean, when Asia is ranging, it's just so easy, right? So it will be high probability market condition. Right now is relatively lower. Hong Kong is good coupling. I'm too old for coupling right now. I'm so sorry. It's like my last coupling experience like decades ago. And actually, I found Taiwan is good for coupling, to be honest. Like, from my past experience, Taiwan is better. Do you have language barrier? Yes, of course. I mean, listen to my English. I got a huge language barrier, obviously. But like, I already get used to it, so I realized I don't have to understand every word. Right, for communication, it's not having speaking exam. So you don't have to understand every single word. If you're able to communicate, and that's all. So most of the time I just guess. I just guess what they have, because everyone got different accent. Like we get so many people from different countries, so everyone got different accents. with some of them, like I'm not familiar with that accent. So it is my problem. It's not them. I'm not really familiar with that accent. So I have to guess. I don't understand. Oh, there's some people are new to the channel. Welcome, welcome. So I live stream here almost every day at 2 a.m. Eastern time for London session. So you can come join us and trade together. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for the price session right now. I didn't even see anything. I mean, it's not doing anything for both NQ and ES right now. He's live stream every day, but to be honest, there's really some days that we shouldn't trade London session. I mean, especially for beginners, we should like avoid it. So if it's like those days, then even I turn on the live stream, I will do nothing. I'm just gonna be here chatting with you, and then people out there are gonna complain like, she doesn't take chase. She just keep on chatting for the whole live stream. You know, that's the complaint I got. What do you want me to do? Oh, you want me to talk about price session? Oh my god, today, oh, my face looks like basketball. My face today, crazy. I got some, sorry, I got some instant noodles yesterday, so right now my face looks like basketball, crazy. Oh my god. I got some Korean ramen yesterday, like, I'm so sorry. No. Asia just expanded, nothing to chase. Yeah, at this moment is obviously we got nothing. 50. Okay, so we got a 1 hour volume imbalance here. Also here. Man, the annual get a 15 minutes bullish gap here. 5 minutes to okay. You had. Oh, I see. I'm from Hong Kong. All right. You short. Oh, I'm not gonna hash with you. Okay. I'll do nothing. I'll do nothing. You know that I love taking long position. But but where is your target? Like here, or just the mid opening price? You know, because we before the London session start, London Q song start, we were going up. So I was thinking maybe we will sweep these two daily high first, so I can take a short position. And you know, this one it is relative equal high on ES, right? This daily high and this wick. So I was thinking, oh, we will sweep the high like in few minutes, and then I can take a short. But it just struggle here. So I was thinking maybe I should wait for retracement to take a long up here. Can we enter in short and close the chart? It would be funny. It would be funny. KK futures. It would be awesome. You know, I always want to close the chart. Good morning, Barry. Good morning. Too late, too long, too early, too short. I think just trying to be patient. So because I got my 4 trading days, so this is the last trading day for me to request a payout from macro futures. So I want to stay cautious because I already got enough account balance to request this. So one more valid trading day for 150k standard account in aqua futures is $580. But you know, I don't want to just lock in a trade. I want to take a real trade. So I would trade normally, but for example, if my first trade is a losing trade, then the second trade I probably don't have to aim for too much. Just fulfill the $600 for the whole account. First TV would be what? Oh, here. Oh, really? Wow, that's so far away. You took a shot here. You want? Oh, really? No, I'm not hedging with you because like right now I don't have, I don't see anything yet. So if I have conviction, I think I probably will hedge with you. But no, I think I better be patient today. And for that aqua futures, because I think some of you mentioned about the rules that your biggest losing trade cannot be greater than your single biggest winning trade. So to be honest, for me, this rule is not like a rule because I always trade 1 to 2 hours or more. And sometimes if I'm going crazy over trading, I will take 1 to 1.5 hour. You will see something like that on my stream, but I never take 1 to 1 or negative hour. So that rule won't bother me at all. It just won't happen in all my trading. Even when I'm over trading, it won't happen. It won't be an issue for me. But that is something that I just using my own trading model, my trading performance as an example, because I did realize some of the traders are using 1 to 1 hour but still very profitable. So I guess to remind you, if you are those traders or using negative RR, which I don't recommend though, it's probably not the platform that you should go with. Because if you're trading 1 to 1 hour, then that means your losing trade may be sometimes bigger than your winning trade, because including commission and fees, spreads, so it's probably slightly greater than your winning trades. It's possible. But if you're trading 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 1.2, it won't be a problem to you. So just greater than 1 hour, you will be fine for trading with aqua futures. And anyone here trading with alpha futures? Because I heard that they deny the payout with the premium plan, so only other plans got the payout. I'm not so sure what's the exact conditions right now, but from what I heard is whoa, your short is happening. Your short is paying out. Our queen's getting the profit right now. MNO here. Knocking profit now. Balaji Chase. Shout out to Balaji Chase. Thank you. I'll wait a little bit. I don't know how deep will this bearish move go. I'll wait. We got bearish SMP with yes. Let me take a look. Oh yes. Always yes, always. So nowadays, yes is the leader. We already know that for the last few streams. We already know that yes is the leader. Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. So you have 5 accounts with Alpha and approved the payout too. 5K. Oh my god. So they are not working with TraderVay and NinjaTrader anymore. I believe it's because of the cost, the platform cost, which is huge. You can see their transaction is over $1 million each month. So that is what they have to pay if they have to offer TraderVay as a trading platform. So they build their own, and but to be honest, even if they build their own trading platform, they can still pay the payout to those traders. So it's kind of shady. I never used Alpha Futures or Alpha Capital Group before because I saw something I think last year about Alpha Capital, which is forex platform. So there is a Vietnamese trader that is relocated to Canada. So his current residence area is Canada, and he got a Canada ID or passport. But still, because because of like at first when he buy an account from like Alpha, he was using his Vietnamese ID card. So even after he relocated to Canada, they still like just terminate his account. Like it just no matter what kind of pool he submitted, just no more trading with him. So I would say it's kind of suspicious. Because usually if you relocate to another country and you can provide proof, your IP address, your ID card, your new ID card, it will be fine. So after I saw that news, I was like, oh, this poor firm got some problem. This poor firm. Oh, Bella, good morning, good morning. So I think Apex is doing 90% off at the moment too. They extend their sale. Yeah, let me take a look here. When can I trade with Apex again, to be honest? To be honest. My favorite account will be 50K as always. Because 150K is the profit target to drawdown ratio is a lot greater than the 50K. So I would say 50K is easier to pass. And cheaper, you know, if you roll up some account. It's more affordable. And I usually trade with the intraday trailing because that was the only account type I got at that time. So I hate DLL as always. No matter it's soft bridge or hard bridge, I just hate it. So I need to trade intraday trailing as always. And I think right now most of the platforms offer both types. So if you like me hate DLL, you can just go with intraday trailing, and you actually pay less because EOD costs more. Our queen rate, are you still in that trade? It will change a little bit from the MNO. Let me take a look. I hope you close your short position because I really want to long, but I don't want to hedge with you. I feel like it's a bad idea to hedge with you. I can hedge, right? Okay, so I got your approval to hedge with you. Would you recommend Apex at the moment? Of course, why not? The only preference that I won't recommend right now is Alpha Futures. I think probably like after a few months they will be fine, but right now, like at this moment, probably not a good idea, right? Because they got their forex programs to support, so they will still get enough income after a few months. So it's not like they just disappear. If I enter here, the risk ratio sucks. No, probably not a good idea. All right. Oh, come on. Janice, good morning. Ollie, hello. Trust is still lost. What trust? I didn't enter. I'm so glad. I didn't hatch with you, Queen, our Queen. I'll wait until all your TP close. Isn't better to wait until we leave this range to avoid the chop? Yes, it is. Like, it is, but you know, when you're in front of the chart, most of the time you are not that rational. Sometimes you'll be very emotional to get in some trades. And I think yesterday on the trader roundup to the space, I think someone talked about like the discipline. Like you not only have to work on the discipline outside of life, but you have to also work on your emotions. I would say like if it's that easy, it would be great. It's so hard to work on emotions. If alpha will recover, you wouldn't trade with them. You're right. I wouldn't trade with them too. I wouldn't trade with them too, to be honest. And you know what? Usually the last trading day before your payout request and the first trading day after your payout request is the day that the easiest to blow out. Like because we're in hurry. Like I am in hurry, okay? So like after the payout, I would want to get back to more buffer for my current account. And before the payout request, I would just want to lock in one more trading day, one more valid trading day to get the payout. So usually these 2 days is just for me, I usually blow up in that 2 days. I didn't see anything yet. Why are we stuck here? Yeah, I think I need manipulation like a week first before getting in a position no matter long or short. So I just created a poll. I want to know like who got affected by the current situation from alpha futures. So you can let me know what's your current condition. I don't trade gold, or right now I exclusively trading NQ futures. You got affected by Trump. You know what? I think not yesterday. I think the day before. I was trading the MFFU Rapid funded account. So for the funded account in Rapid, this account type is intraday trailing, and I brought them up, brought them all with that Trump's wick. Well, of course, I'm not blaming the market. I'm not blaming the market. But that week, I just totally blow up for those 5 accounts, 50K. Man, I was like, what the fuck is that? But if we look back to price action, that is the manipulation. I was just getting in too early. I should wait for one more displacement. But I believe everyone got hurt by that Trump's candlestick, right? Not only me, like literally everyone. What time do you prefer for ICT lunchtime? Yes, he changed those times so often. Because I didn't catch up with his current episode yet. I don't know if he changed it or not. Because the last time I checked, the session was this for NY lunch, 11:30 to 1:30. If he changed it, then I will change it. But just to be honest, I don't change this session, so it won't be like a huge influence on me. But I just mark the session high, session low. That's all. We're struggling here, man. You bought an eval on that Trump candle. I bought 5 under the can. 550k, but like they got 50% off right now, so I just got myself 3 more. Momo, you share with other traders that they say you shouldn't blame on Trump. Yeah, we shouldn't blame on anyone, but that is unexpected, right? That's unexpected. And these kind of things happens all the time. Maybe next time it's not Trump, it's another war happened in Middle East, or something new. But even if that is not an intraday trailing Jordan account, I think I will still get I will still blow up with spread, because I get a tight stop loss, but that candlestick got a huge spread, so I would blow up anyway. Oh, Trump candle crushed your TP. So not everyone got stop out. Some of you may just get a huge win for that Trump candle. How would you deal with that kind of slippage if trading a live account? Well, I always get in with bracket order, but to be honest, if this is something like that, you can't avoid. You have to accept the slippage. So that's why I always split my order. You can see for example, my stop loss is 1 contract stop loss order. It's not 2 contract. It's not 1 order with 2 contract. I separate every order. So when there's slippage, I will still feel easier than I got a 110 contract stop out order. Were you trading 1 NQ contract? I don't remember. I think one or 2. Because those are 50k account. I'll probably stay with 1. What are we doing here? What is Price doing here? Oh, it's about to be 3 a.m. It's around 3 a.m. right now. Wait, wait. So if I get out here, it's only 20 points? Oh shit. Oh my god, I need to show my stop loss. I hate this. Ow, I hate this. I hate this shit. I don't like this. Ow. No, no, don't give me this shit. That's the maximum I get. I don't really like it. It's slowing down. And this candle body goes inside of the gap. I don't like it. 16 point. 16 point is alright. Acceptable. Yeah, I know it's we're currently in the envelope. I hide it because it will turn the chart like this. Oh, that was quick. This stop out was quick. This stop out was quick. I was hoping to wait until 3 a.m. Or maybe I got stop out now, I can get in at 3. So a stop out here with 16 point. Man, seriously, I would want to get in again. Seriously, I want to get in again. This is shit. If, like, this long week, if you left a long week, man, I really want to get in. I'm not overtrading, right? Did you see this long week? Man, unbelievable. Unbelievable. I got started with a long week. You make me no choice but to get in again. Chat. I hate you, NQ. Man, seriously? 20 point. 20 point stop loss right now. Let's see. Let's see if the 3 a.m. candlestick stop me out again. Oh, I need to put this, I'm sorry. Forgot to make this. Uh-oh, 3 a.m. right now. I think it's stop out again. It's going down. Yep. Yes, wow, yes, got a huge shot. Yes, just clear some of the sell side here. NQ didn't. I think it's coming. Stop out again. Right now is my current account balance is negative 1500 at the moment. Yeah. Should I stop taking for long position in that case? Manipulation hour. I think I probably need to wait for more confirmation in that case. And wait for better hour because it was like 1 to 1.5 if I close the trade here. Yes, it's the leader once again. Oh. But to be honest, I still want to take long position. To be honest, I still looking to clear this liquidity instead of. I think we will go down a little bit, but I don't want to take a short with all this equal high here. All past week. Really? I don't know. This week is all past. Trader have rules, market don't. My rules is don't trade outside of kill zone. Will be my rules. Why are you guys talking about political in the chat? Come on. You know, it's not a good topic to communicate with strangers. You know, your political standpoint. You know, I really love after taking some losing trades, then my views increase because I know it. I know it damn well. Those haters heard that I took losing trades, so they just run into my stream to increase my views. I'm so happy. Like, why you guys come to my stream every time when I take a loss? You know, you guys are promoting me, right? You know that, right? I hope you don't get it wrong because I can see all the data on the back end. Like the Hong Kong traders are always on the top. Like this is just so funny. But they can't join the live the giveaway because I ban all those fucking shit, all those fucking haters. So from what I see, I know it looks risky, but I'm gonna do it anyway. With a tighter stop loss. We just cleared the equal high and the swing high here. Oh, I'm sorry. Kicked something wrong. I want to trail my stop loss a little bit. But I'm looking for better stop loss at the moment. It's kind of too large for me after taking 2 losses. This is not a good RR for me though. But anyways, I'll put it there. I think I'll put one more to the daily high. So yeah, it's better. 1 to 1.8. Take partial, chat. Take partial. Because we already sweep 3 buy side equity. One equal high, swing high, and the other swing high. Right now, NQ is the leader, which is not a good sign, you know, because ES usually is the leader nowadays. I will delete this first. Take partial, everyone. I'm taking mental partial, you know, as usual, I'm taking mental partial. But you really need to take. But I lost 1,500, so I need to get it back. So I can't close right now. I know. I shouldn't think of this. I should just follow the model. I know. But I have to get it back. I have to get it back. Anyways. Yes, slowing down too. Not a good sign. Retracing back to the entry point. I want a better position. This is not good enough. Let me take a look. I'll see if this BC can hold. If not, we probably got another losing trade. And I will keep an eye on ES too. I want to check my stop loss, to be honest, because like I want to make sure my account won't blow up, even if I got one more losing trade. Like preserve capital. I can accept losing trade, but like not being too risky. So let me take a look. Where can I trial it? Yeah, I think I'll try it here. Yeah, we may get some work out, but like try to protect myself here. So right now it's around 9 points. Wait, no, 20 points. 20 points. Be careful, that is bearish SMT. Yes, I know. So I can take partial here, and so all I can do is just trail my stop loss. So I trail a little bit with, like, right now it's around 20 points. So if I get stop loss, I will lose less. Because it's not like I close here. Because I close here is like, I don't like manually closing a trade. Even I feel like I'm gonna lose that trade though. Because, you know, it hurt my mental capital, and I will just want to get in again. As you've already seen it, like, I think last week or last month. So I rarely manually close a trade. I would just let it hit my stop. Is our queen still with his short position? I mean, if our queen way is still in short, then I should probably close it, right? I shouldn't just risk anything on a long position anymore. Oh, you guys are listening to me yesterday with the ICT concept space trade roundup. This is a dump to the downside. Then I got a tight stop loss to preserve my capital. So that's the least I can do with myself. Let me cancel this line first. Jay said that he used to be a Candace hater, but then become a supporter. That is funny though. Yeah, this is the first case. You are the first one to turn yourself from hater to supporter. Be honest, like, you're a legend. Oh my gosh, he's here very often. Did I lose to the 3 a.m. curse again? Well, it's on me. Obviously, it's on me. I decided to not wait for a 3 a.m. candlestick, and I didn't wait for this. If you remember this thing, I didn't wait for candle body close above this bearish FVG in order to turn it to a valid IFVG. So it happened to me so many times that I get in aggressively without waiting for confirmation as an valid inversion. So if I wait for it and I still get stopped out, that would say like, okay, just your trade idea is not valid. But if not, I didn't wait for it and I got stopped out, then it's just totally me not following my rules, not being disciplined. And it's not about trading model or trading strategy, anything. Oh, we're about to stop again. Are we about to stop? Yes, go up. Come on. We gotta work here. I think Trump is sleeping right now, right? It's back to the States, so. It's not looking good. It's not looking good because right now this one become inversion. It's not looking good. Whoa. So if I can stop out this one, I really need to be patient. I will still look for setup, but I really need to be very patient. Not just like trying to get in again after manipulation. Like I would just really need to be patient and wait for another setup. Stop out here. Right now, my current account balance is negative 2,300 for this session. Don't like we're in such a premium. Yes, exactly. I need to be very patient right now for you. But we're not going to anywhere. We're just ranging. This is the whole London session. We're just ranging. Not going anywhere. I need to wait for more retracement if I really want to get in another long position. Maybe retrace from here. If price go up right now, I won't get in, I think. Because I won't get a nice risk-reward ratio to get back to the losses. Because I need to recover from losses and also get profit, right? Which if I enter here, even if I'm targeting this one, it's just not enough. So I need to get more like deep retracement in order to take that trade to recover all the losses. You get your 40 points. 40 points great. So always take parcel. Yes, always take parcel. Every time I tell you take parcel, if you take it, seriously, you get your W. But you know, I always take mental parcel. My mental parcel. You wouldn't long until at least a 151 candle. 151, this one, right? This low. I need to measure it first. I will be patient. So yeah, it's dropping too. I want it to go down to the 1 hour average, to be honest. If I want to take long. Because I really don't want to take a short right now. You cut the trade or stop loss hit. I trailed my stop loss up a little bit, and then price just hit it. I didn't manually cut it. Let me 75. So 67. Oh. Really, patience. We're too premium right now, you're right. No, I don't want to take a shot. So sorry, I don't want to take a shot. I will wait for retracement. Yeah, I will wait for retracement. What? true day open. You're learning patience from me, then you probably learn from the wrong person because I'm not patient, obviously. I think I'm the opposite of patient, isn't it? Do you check hourly? Yes, of course. Why not? I just check it. We're just ranging. This is the from 2 a.m. 2 a.m. is here, right? So we're just trading from here to here. But yeah, it's actually what we expected with a large Asia range. So we don't have accumulation before London session, then London session will become the accumulation. Yeah. We got the retracement I want. Oh, this is looking good right now. It's looking good. Your short is working quite well, but you got stop out anyways. I mean, it kills so many buy side. Unless you get a large stop loss. If not, you still get stop out with this candlestick this week. So if we really want to take a shot, probably this one, this, or here, this one to short. Because if you short earlier, you will either get stop out or you need to get a large stop loss. So this one will be like the perfect entry point if you want to short. I actually love how you always took profit when it just moved like move in your direction, because actually it's something very hard for me to take partial on the way. We coming here. Yes, also. I need to be very patient this time, seriously. I mean, I still got a lot of buffer for the current account because like I got 4 profitable trading days, but the problem is if I get more losses, it's harder for me to get it back, right? To recover with like probably 1 trade. I have to like separate it into 2 trades to cover the daily loss. So it's not a good idea. So I want to be making sure the next trade won't be a very high risk trade. Like I can get tight stop loss with it. Ah. Oh, yes, just clear all this sell side. Awesome, awesome. Now we got deep retracement. And we finally break from the range, from the current range. Yeah. Work out, buy side, go down, bearish FVG, inversion, go down, clear this minor buy side, strike to the external sell side. It's actually a textbook turtle soup. It's a textbook turtle soup. Yes, we're going deep to the Asia low. Going down for NY, going up. Why now it's too deep? Now it's too deep. I don't want to wait for NY, man. But I need to be very patient for real. I kind of understand why you love short, because it can close your trade within a few minutes, and usually for long position it can take you 1 hour to get to your TP, but for short everything just like ends so soon. I never was a short seller. I know, man, it's cup. I need more confirmation first, because like ES didn't sweep the Asia low. And NQ Asia low is here. It can be a trap. It's kind of high risk, because we just got a huge bearish move here. It's kind of risky, to be honest. And I already got some losses, that's why I don't know, probably more conservative this one. Yeah, we still got something here. We got vertical low. We got Asia low on ES. Patience, patience, patience. We're in 4-hour gap here. I see. Let me heat this up. Everyone's telling me to wait. I love it. I love it. You guys are making me taking me accountable. Awesome. That's why we need a community, you know. We take each other accountable, as always. And yesterday during the trader roundup, I also talked about how that the whole trader roundup community saved me back in 2022. If I didn't join those trader roundup at that time, I probably won't be a trader anymore. Because that was actually the exact time that I want to give up. Because I quit my full-time job in around, I think, April 2022. So that's already half year. I tried to trade full-time, which is not working, obviously, at that time. So, and then I found trade roundup. So it changed me. Would you have entered if you were trading alone? I would enter this one, but probably won't enter here because that's just not valid. It's aggressive entry. But this one is within my model, and I will probably chase the stop position around here because we got inversion of this. But this is all hindsight, so it's useless. Because this hindsight, it didn't happen on live, then that's useless. What makes you inconsistent back then? I was trying to copy other people's trade. I was thinking, I was trying to get signals from some trading groups, from ICT live stream, from everyone. There's probably some people showing good P&L, good trades on social media. Then I would join their Discord and try to copy their signals. So I don't have my own model at that time. So I know if you're trying to copy someone, what's gonna happen. I know it. It's not gonna work. Have a great day, everyone. People always ask me to post some trade analysis, or potential setup in Discord, but I don't think it's helpful because market can change anytime. Especially we're doing scalpings here. It's still scalping, right? Because we're not trading in daily range, so I don't think it's useful for trade analysis chart. I don't like we're creating sell side, like trend line sell side here. Because like for me it looks like a trap. We need a manipulation, to be honest. I really want to be patient this time. I think like for my next trade, it's okay to stop out. It's okay to be a losing trade, but I want it to lose in the correct way, not me being reckless or emotional. It's just my trade idea is invalid. That's why I stop out. And those trades is like totally acceptable, but yeah, so I want to be patient. No, I'm not taking short. I don't like taking short, to be honest. But the stop loss is quite large. It's relatively large this time. I don't like it. Is it too large? But like, let me think about it. Because we got trend line here, so I'm actually thinking we may get some manipulation. But of course, I can just totally stop out and, the whole trade idea is invalid. But I believe we may get some manipulation, which I don't know when will it happen. But I still maintain it with 1 to 2. Not very ideal. Let me think about that. Let me think about. Right now, I don't like the where I put my stop loss. I want to chow it, but like, if I chow it here, it's too close for manipulation. Like, I want the best case scenario would be a wick down to here. Candle body goes inside of this PDRA. The wick out curing this low, but didn't stop me out. And then we go up again. Then we will be safe for the whole long setup. And right now, it's not that good. It's like we're expecting a wick, but yeah. Without that wick, I can trail my stop loss. Is Ollie still here? Did you close your short position? Your whole short position, or did you leave a warner for that? Both ES and NQ keep on creating sell side liquidity here on the way up. So, like, to be honest, it's just not. It's low probability trade. I gotta admit, this is a low probability trade. Completely out. Completely out. Oh, really? You send me on Discord? Why you DM me? You should send in my Discord group, Discord server. You send in the server. Don't DM me. Well, you enter exactly for this. Oh, this is you entered exactly with this PD area. This is awesome. This is like the perfect entry for that shot. Janice, that's crazy. Janice out there saying he's over the consistency. He's making too much. He's making too much over the consistency and have to lose some money. Crazy, bro. That's insane. Well, I don't want to explain it, Brian. Brian, thank you, but no, this is not one order. I'm trying to not mention it every time on the stream, but no, this is not one order. This is not. So how much do you have to lose, Janice? You have to lose how much? Like, you're making too much. That's crazy. But actually, I got a Excel, a table, so I know how much I have to make for each account. Like, I can't exceed the consistency rule, so I know the maximum I can make for that day. So I suggest you guys can make a table for yourself, so you don't have to calculate every time. Just open and close position. But for some of the platforms, for example, like Tradify, they have like a micro scalping rules. So if you close your position in less than 10 seconds, it won't count. Some of them, I guess. So you probably have to wait for after 10 seconds first. For losing chase does not matter the time. No, it's matter. Because I got hurt by it before. So I have to trade one more day because of some of the losing trade that is less than 10 seconds. I don't know, maybe there's some error on the system. Oh, come on, give me a manipulation, like, for real. Because that's gonna happen anytime soon. You just give me now, so I will be safe when we go up, and I can trail my stop loss. Let me see, 345 right now. I don't know, probably we'll have to wait for a long time for that. But to be honest, the stop loss right now is too large. I have to try it. I feel like I may get wigged out, but like I don't want to risk that much for this trade. Because I have to preserve capital. I can accept losing trades, losing streak, but the main thing is I'm able to cover myself, recover after a while. But if I get a large stop loss, it's so hard to recover. And you know, I understand that I may just kill my trade with a tight stop loss, but yeah, I'm gonna do it anyways. You have low stop loss? How come? Please set stop loss. Please, you can get in with bracket order, so you don't have to set your stop loss manually. I know some traders trade without a stop loss. No comment, okay? No comment. No comment, for real, no comment. But imagine if you trade without a stop loss and then suddenly Trump wake up and said something. Imagine that happened in your account. What's gonna happen, right? But we still don't get the manipulation leg. And yes is leading the price. Once again, I hate you, yes. Because yes going up too fast and NQ can catch up. That means when yes clear the high, NQ is still not. Then we will get a bearish SMT and we may get the manipulation leg, or I don't know, retrace one back. So not a good idea. You think NQ too volatile? That's why we trade NQ. If NQ is not volatile, then why are we trading them? We should just trade, I don't know, some bond futures. We got some VI here in between these few candlesticks. I still don't feel safe yet. Right now, I don't feel safe yet. Yes, going up so fast right now. What made you want to long there? Well, I always want to long, like from the very beginning of this session, of this stream. But obviously, I missed the whole turtle soup short setup because I was married to my bias for my long bias, so I totally missed the turtle soup short setup. And now price retraced back to a 1 hour average, and we got actually a SMT, bullish SMT with ES. ES didn't sweep the low. And yes, also leading price up. So with all the confluence, but I'm thinking, should I lower it a little bit? Because even if price keep on going up, we won't get to this high when ES get to this high. So that's the problem. Right, this is the okay. So I may have to get another. This is a tough decision. I need to put my money back. This is like just for fun. I mean, it's not like it's really working for. It's not like magic. Leave it like that. Okay, I'll leave it like that. Because what I'm taking a look is right now, so this high here on yes, I'm here. It's actually this high, like at the same time is this high on NQ. Because like, well, even this trade is a stop out, I won't blow up the account, but I think I kind of hit my personal daily loss limit. So I should take a break after this trade, which I don't want to, obviously. Like right now for my for 150k account, like my usual personal daily loss limit will be 4,500, but like before 150k, when I was trading 50k, it was 3,000. So it will be, I have to make a decision. So should I stop at 3,000 or should I stop at 4,500? Money bet model works 75% of the time. Really? you make a statistic for that? You can see like ES go up a lot from this low to this high, and ES is just like not even 50% of the range, right? Just 50. 60 around maybe. And for ES, it's already 80%. That's a huge difference. Yeah, same here. Too many gaps, too many volume imbalance. Let me take out this one. And we don't have manipulation late on the way up. So we keep on creating more and more sell side liquidity. So it just make this setup become a low probability trade. Oh, so after 3 minutes will be 4 a.m. Will be 4 a.m. Will we get the manipulation at 4? I'm sleepy right now. Part's not moving. I need to think about it. If this is a losing trade, if I got stopped out here, should I enter another trade? Or should I wait for more consolidation? So this is something I have to think of right now before that thing happens, because I need to have a plan before getting to another trade. I can't just get in the next trade just because I just got stopped out, but I feel like there's a wick going up. Best case scenario, 4 a.m. we got a wick here, this minor sell side, wick dip into this CB, and then go up again. Best case scenario will be this one. I can't even trail my stop loss right now. So boring. Okay, this is the 4 a.m. candlestick. Did we get anything from ES and NQ? We got a bearish candle. All right, awesome, awesome. 4 a.m. awesome. So do we get a wick with you, or do we just completely stop out with your 4 a.m. candlestick? This candle don't have speed. Like it's moving so slow. So right now it just turned to bullish FVG into inversion. so calm even though the trade moves against you. Like, because there's nothing I can do. I can't trail my stop loss right now because this is like all my zone. I can't trail it, and I can't take partial here when it's not even partial. I mean, so there's nothing I can do. So it's not like I don't want to do something, but I have nothing to do for that, for the trade, for the position. So just wait for it to happen. Wait for the result. Oh, now we got the speed with this candle. Going down, going down, we're going down. Price is going to my stop, chat. Price is going to my stop loss. Chat, we got another losing trade. We got another L. Bro, I feel like today, if we get stop loss for this trade, it's so hard to get it back. I probably have to lock in a losing day. Like it's not like I can, but it will be very hard to recover. Like, I have to admit the truth. It will be very hard to recover. No. Unlucky. No, it's not about luck. It's all about us as a trader. Don't blame anything. Stop out here. Stop out. So right now, I'll show you the current balance. So this is the current balance here. Negative 3,600. I would say very hard to get it back today. Very hard. I may have to split on 2 days to get it back. Yeah, very hard. For the current account, like this turn to liquidation, I still got 4,000. So I can lose 4,000 more before I blow up this free Aqua Futures account. But I don't think it's a good idea to use it all on today, because right now obviously I don't have the right bias for the current condition. So my next trade will highly likely become a revenge trade, because if I have to cover 3,600, that means if I have to recover from 3,600 with the current position size I'm using, I'll need to take a 90 points trade, which is possible for New York session, but very hard to take it on London session. And I suppose not to get it back, only I should have like profit to lock in a valid trading day, right? So I probably have to make 100 points for one trade. I think it's so hard for London session. So if I don't want to make 100 points for that, then I will have to use free. No. Free. Yeah. Not very good, maybe. No, I think I make the math wrong. Yeah, 66 points with free contract. Not a good idea to increase position size after a few losses. Yeah, I think I would just, let it be a losing day. I just accept the losing day. It's not a good idea to try to recover from negative 3,600. No need for all caps. Min max infinity. What are you doing here? One Trump candle can recover your losses. Well, usually in the NY session, I would trade the TPT, take profit trader, and my personal account. I wouldn't trade because these Aqua Futures account got consistency rule. So I have to calculate how much I make. And because Nima session candlestick moves so fast, I can't just like set a stop loss TP and then calculate it. I have to just trade a no consistency rule accounts. I think unless I see something very obvious, I won't take any trades on this Aqua Futures account today. I will just wait for tomorrow. Why no live on NY? Why do I have to live on NY? Seriously. Why everyone asking for this? Like seriously. If I don't want to do it, I don't do it. Because if I live stream on NY session, it's just simply like live streaming 24 hours, isn't it? So when the market is on, I have to live stream. Is that something like that? No. I have to think about the maps first. So right now, I'm losing 3,600. And if I don't make it back today, if I try to make it back tomorrow, I can make it back all in once. Because my maximum, like before today, my largest trading day was around 2,100. So if I make 3,600 the next day, it will be over the consistency rule. So I will have to split in 2 days. So probably 2,000 one day and 2,000 the other day in order to make it back. Yeah. Lucid Tradify. It depends which account type you chose. But to be honest, I would say Lucid is too expensive compared to other platforms. Like their rules are great, their payout requirements are great too, but they are too expensive. Because I'm using the trading approach, I don't want to go to live. As you all know, I've been mentioning it since 2024. I don't want to go live with platforms. So what I'm trading is like, when I get payouts, after I get payouts a few times, I will blow up my accounts intentionally, which I shouldn't talk about it because platforms hate this. They call us like sim farmers. So when I blow up those accounts, I won't get moved to live. So, but some platforms hate it. If you blow up so many times, they will move you to another stage. For example, like Top Step and Take Profit Trader. So for Top Step, if you blow up your funded accounts so many times, they will move you in I don't know the name, like Focus Plan, something like that. And for TPT, they will move you to a Purpose Development. Yeah. So they are doing it to prevent the sim farmers, which is me. Because trading live accounts actually benefiting the platform, but not the traders. But some of the traders think it is a benefiting because they think this is a title, right? It is an honor to be a live trader in platforms, honorland, which we call it in Cantonese. They are honorland. So you don't have to. You think you're proving yourself to get upgrade to live, but you actually are reducing your profits on platforms. So if you do the math, you will know it. It's simple math. What's my personal ranking tiers of the platforms? My personal. Okay, this is my personal. So beginners may not apply on it, but for my personal, right now my top one is Take Profit Trader, TPT, because of daily payouts and no payout cap. And the second will be Apex, but because I'm benefiting from the 20 accounts and the no payout cap at that time. But right now it's different. And then the third will be aqua futures. But I have to get my first payout first because I know they're paying people out, but unless I get my first payout, I'm not so sure what the real payout process is. But why I chose aqua futures as the third ranking instead of Lucid or Tradify is the price is just so good. You know, for the standard account, standard 150K account I'm currently trading with, I got the 60% off. And also if I buy 5 accounts at once, I got extra 10% off. So the price is so cheap. So I have to think about the cost because the whole platform industry is your payout minus your cost. So if it's too expensive, like Lucid, 150K, then you may need to spend more. And even Tradify, you can pay less for 150K compared to Lucid. But yeah, I know, you say beginners don't like intraday channeling, whatever, but this is my personal ranking. So I'm okay with intraday channeling. MFF, don't really like it. I'm trading with them. I'm currently trading with them, but it's not my favorite. I'm not in giveaway mood. Seriously, I'm not in giveaway mood. And we didn't hit the like that I set the target, right? I set the target 120 like at the very beginning of the stream. It didn't hit the target. So you mean someone got the lines payout and moved to live? Well, if you get moved to live, that doesn't mean you're still trading with that platform, right? So you can still get money from them, isn't it? Min Mass Infinity. Are you new here? Because this is a very funny question. Do you ever trade funded in this live session or just evals? Actually, you should change the question to ask, do you ever trade evals on stream? Because I've never traded any evals. What makes you think this is an eval? What makes you think this is an evaluation? Seriously, if this is an evaluation, first, I won't set stop loss. Second, I won't use 2 NQ only. Why would I use 2 NQ only? Just think about it. Here, this low to this high is around 50 points. I full pot. I don't even need 50 points, right? And then I can pass the eval. Why would I use 2 NQ? If I get a tight stop loss with a small position size, it's definitely not eval. Like, if you're a profitable trader, I recommend. Well, this is my personal opinion. I recommend don't spend any time on eval. Just aggressively pass it. I know haters said like you are just teaching people a wrong way to trade evals. No. I'm saying if you're a profitable trader and you can afford to lose. If you're fucking beginners, if you're a college student that never even worked for a full-time job, you don't have savings, don't do it. I didn't tell students to use this method, right? I'm telling adult that is knowledgeable and educated that understand what I'm talking about to use this method. Because as an adult, which I believe most of my chat are, our time is so precious. You don't have that much time to spend on those evals, seriously. Like, how long do you want to be profitable? Like 90 years old, 70 years old? Like, no, right? You don't have that much time. But, there's a lot of haters which are students. They just don't understand how precious time it is. Because when I was Chinese, I was just spending time for fun all the time. Right? Spending time on lining up for just some nonsense. You don't know time is more expensive than money that you spend on evals. So they can't understand the whole logic behind this method. But if you're an adult that working a full-time job that have to take care of your families, everything, you don't have time and mental capital to spend on these evals. You just pass it aggressively. You just want to retire. No. I need 2 more trading days for this account. Wish I can wait for 2 more trading days, but the problem is, so if I'm making, I think I need to make 2100 in order to cover everything. Yes, I think I will log out this. Right now we got manual logout function for the trader rate, so you can log out individual accounts or the whole account. So to prevent myself to blowing up from this account, which I may eventually blow up, I know, but at least not today, not over trading on this account, I'm now clicking the manual logout. Yeah, this is the first time I do. Okay, so all I have to do is set it on, I don't even know what that is. So I have to set the lock time to end of trading day. So until tomorrow, I can trade this free frontend account on Aqua Futures. So I won't blow up today, but I'll probably blow up tomorrow. Yes, so this free account is locked. It's locked now. And let me take a look. Let me check. I want to make sure I didn't. So this is the new updated dashboard for my Aqua Futures account. So before this stream, at the very beginning, I showed you the stream. On the stream, it was 50% win rate, and right now I just decreased to 38%, which is sucks because I should get myself within 40%. Yeah, so today they lost is 3,600. This is the losing trade here. Profit factor, average win loss. Let me take a look on the reports. Average hold time 19 minutes. Got 2 days. No, nothing special. Just like what we see. Average largest profitable day 2000. Mass Jordan today. Average hold time losing trade 15 minutes. Average winning trades 26 minutes. Largest profit 4,800. Largest loss today 1,300. Wow, 200 commission. That's a lot. The commissions and fees increasing for performance, isn't it? Yeah, I just love it showing all the trade data here. So my performance on Wednesday, this is yeah. So for the next session, I will trade the take profit trader and my personal capital. What are you guys talking about right now? For pastime, you need to spend time on that unless you're rich. No. You don't have to be rich, but you have to have like a income, no matter passive income or active income. So, for example, if you quit your job, you're trading full time, you don't have other source of income, then I don't recommend doing it. And second, you need to have a profitable trading model that you backtested it and forward tested it before. So it's not like, okay, it's my first time like getting into prop firm industry, let me buy 40 accounts and full pot it. It's not like that. Okay, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong, it's totally not like that. You need to have some requirements before using this trading method. So that is why I always said don't copy others, because when they copy other people's trade, they just copy part of it. They don't understand the whole logic behind it. I mean, if you don't have other source of income, why are you spending so much money on prop firms? Why? If you don't have savings, why? But if you don't have savings, so you don't do it, no problem, but you shouldn't judge other people who have the resources to do it, okay? Every people got different financial conditions and different experience on trading. You cannot afford to do it, no problem. And you don't want to be aggressive, no problem. But you shouldn't judge other people who are doing it, because obviously if we keep doing it, that means it's a profitable strategy. Because we're not insane, right? We're not stupid. If it's not making money, then we will stop doing this. So obviously we found the advantage. We feel like we're benefiting it. So we keep on doing it. That's why. Do you have rules on days you won't trade? Yes, like NFP week or session before CPI or what else? FOMC? I don't think I will get another long position until New York session, to be honest. We're just going too deep right now. But the funny thing is, like, NQ right now is a lot weaker than yes. In 5 minutes here. What is your strategy in a nutshell piece for London session? Listen to yesterday trader run-up. Okay, I talk about that during trader run-up. It's only 5 to 10 minutes, so it's not a long session. You can just listen to what I said. Start NY stream? No. I mean, it's so exhausted to stream in evening. For real, I may have to do pay stream. Not because I want to make money, but like I would need to compensate myself for streaming at that time. And like everyone finished work at evening, but I still have to work for live streaming. So for real, for that session, if I really need to live stream, I'm gonna do it with a paid stream, no free stream. I have to pay for my time cost. How many eval can get it to 400 accounts? Because some eval have consistency. Oh yeah. So, for example, like take Profit Trader, they got 50% consistency rule. So for 50K account is like 3,000. So you have to make 1,500 on day 1 and day 2 in order to fulfill the 50% consistency rule. And some of them, like Apex, they got 1 day pass, so you can just participate in 1 day. It's actually not so hard to pass 2 times. Of course, I blow up some eval. It's not like I pass it 100%, okay? Just understand it, not like I pass it 100%. But if you can see my trades, most of the time, at first price go in my way, but I didn't take partial or trail my stop loss to break even, and then price turn back and hit my entry point, and then I stop out If you just watch all of my replay, you will see it. So that means what? For the first 15 to 20 points, actually, like over 75% of the time, I'm correct. So all I have to do is just pass my eval within that range. So I use a heavier position size, like full pot, or 75% of the contract size to pass it. So you need to have those data first, because I backtest it and forward test it so many times. I know like how my strategy works and what is like my disadvantage, because I'm always aiming for high RR and I'm not willing to take partial. So that's what happened to me so many times. It's just so many times, countless time on stream. But this is also why I understand why I got a low win rate, because this is also one of the factors that will affect my win rate. Any time limit to pass the evaluation, I think it depends on the prop firm. Some of them don't have, but most of them are like 1 month. But usually, even if you trade it slowly, like you don't full pot it, usually you can pass it in 1 week. Is my trading view price feed lagging? What do you mean lagging? You mean this? What about TPT evals? Still full pot? Yes. 50%. Okay, one last time to remind you, if you can't afford to lose these evals, if you don't have a profitable strategy, if you don't know how to pass it, don't use this method, alright? Why people think I'm teaching the wrong method to beginners? Because beginners shouldn't use this. It's not for beginners, this method. You ask me what I'm using, so I'm telling you this is the method I use to pass eval. I'm not saying beginners who just like join the prop firm industry for the first few months should use that, because I wasn't using this when I first buying some prop firm accounts. Okay, but currently I am trading with this method. And am I gonna borrow some accounts? Yes, I will. I definitely will borrow accounts, a lot of accounts, but in long term, you're just calculate it, do the math. Are your profits greater than your cost spending on it? If it's, you're profitable. If you like the ratio is large, then you're very profitable. So it's just simple maths. And as always, for the investment market, for the trading market, for every financial instrument, you just know that those who have more capital will get more benefit compared to those who got less capital. I mean, it's unfair, but that's the truth. That's how the world works. I mean, college students will never understand, because they didn't even get a one full-time job yet, so they will never understand. But those who are able to spend more on evals and funded, it's actually an advantage. You don't have to be ashamed on it. It's an advantage. That means you have that much capital to spend on it. And with the same ratio, even if with the same ratio, you're making more than those who are spending less on it. It's a very simple logic. Just do the math first. After you do the math, you understand what I'm talking about. Thank you, Ollie. Thank you, Ollie. And where is that indicator? We are all waiting for your new indicator for that opening range. Do we have any other thing? Because like I feel like I'm not taking another chase. So do you guys have other questions? I can just answer you before 5. I can. In Apex, you can copy trade 20 accounts. Yes, you can, but I would suggest you get consistently profitable, like from other platforms first. Like you get some payout from other platforms to support you to trade those 20 accounts on Apex, because believe it or not, you're gonna blow up at least once. Not at least one. You will blow up those 20 accounts few times before you get to your max payout. So, and 20 accounts with activation fee, that's a lot. So you need to get something to support your cost that's spent on Apex, which is other platforms payout. So for me, that was what I was using. So I get payouts from other platform, which is TPT, because I got daily payouts. So I use those money to spend on Apex 20 accounts. How did you stay disciplined? I just stay disciplined because I manually lock out all those accounts, all those free accounts. So I can overtrade or revenge trade or do whatever I want on those accounts. I have to wait for tomorrow. So you can use that manual lockout features on TraderFee. I think Tracy got this too, isn't it? Do you trade first 15 minutes of NY Open? Yes. Most of the time. Sometimes I get in before market open. Sometimes I will wait because like not every time the 930 candlestick got a clear direction. Sometimes it's just not doing anything. Then I will wait if there's any other setup. But if there's nothing after 10 a.m., then I will just stop looking for it. So I no longer trade the silver bullet time window. So just so you know, I don't have any special winning strategy. It's just 2022 model and turtle soup. Of course, I customize into my way, like how I decide an entry, how I decide my stop loss TP, everything. But it's actually just ICT concept. Like it's not, there's no holy grail. Okay, it's just ICT concept. How many payouts you will borrow the funder account? Because the platform move. Well, this one is kind of controversial because I just mentioned like platform don't like our sim farmers, like me, like sim farmers. They don't like it. That's why they move people to live account so soon, right? Like Apex, like other props. They just don't want you to stay in the sim funder stage. So you have to calculate the cost. Like after you blow up your accounts, how many evals you need to spend to get back to funded. And after getting payout, like what is the ratio of that evals and payout? And everyone is different because like our FH win rate or RR is different. So after doing the maths, you have to make sure the strategy you are using is profitable. Because if you are someone that is hard to pass eval, then if you blow up your funded accounts intentionally, you may have to spend more than you think to get back to funded stage. So this is not like a method that I'm recommending to anyone, but because you're asking me what method I'm using, I am using this, yes. I'm a sim farmer. And it's not something new. I've been doing this since 2024. I mentioned it in my Discord, in Twitter, like everywhere. So sometimes, Perform can move you to live after one payout, right? I heard about that. I'm not so sure if it's true or not, but if it's true, then there's nothing you can do. I mean, if just one payout they move you to live, then what else can you do? Are you still live in TPT? I'm trading the pro account, so it's not Pro Plus a live account. I can't get to the Pro Plus anymore. I don't know. They just don't want me to get to the Pro Plus. I was Pro Plus before they have a new thing on Pro Plus. So there's a period of time they stopped letting people to go to upgrade to Pro Plus. And then they introduced the Pro Plus development, and people started to get back to Pro Plus. But most of them are new traders with TPT. The old traders, we're all staying with the Pro stage, which I have no idea. So it's not good because I only get 80% profit speed. But I still get the daily payouts. And once I pass the intraday charting, it will stay as a static drawdown. So the only concern is 80% profit speed. But if you are new to TPT, you should be able to get to the Pro Plus stage, which is 90% profit speed. So my code is Candace for anyone who would like to try Take Profit Trader. Top Step is shit. They're trash. I talk about it so many times. They are trash part. I'm not gonna trade today London session anymore. I mean, it's almost ending for that session. But I will go back to the chart at 9, I think. So to see if I can get any other trade setup. But it's not on the Aqua Futures. I will be trading my Take Profit Traders and my personal capital. So chat, if you enjoy today's stream, which I don't really know if you can enjoy it or not, remember to subscribe to the channel and click the like button. So tomorrow we will be back at 2 a.m. Eastern time, and we'll see if I'm gonna blow up this account or I can get some winning trade or what else. Yes, all of my live stream is on this YouTube channel. It's free. So thank you everyone for tuning in today. If you take any trades today during this London session, please post your charts or your entries in Discord so we can all share the trades together to have more analysis. Always if you have a good community, you will learn faster. If you have a bad community, all you will learn is how to cheat poor firms. So choosing a good community is very important. And if you think today is a L stream, put an L on the chat. If you think today is W stream, which I doubt it. I wish I doubt it if this is a W stream. Put a W in the chat. And I will see you all tomorrow at 2 a.m. Eastern time, okay? Be safe everyone, and good luck, good trading. Goodbye.